What's up, you guys? It's your girl K Chanel back in the flesh once again in a cut. What's up? Whoa. So today I am so excited that I got to film this video. It is for the Juvias Place I Am Magic Foundations. You saw the title, you clicked on it, you're here. What's up? Okay, so we're gonna be reviewing the Juvias Place I Am Magic Foundation, not the concealer. So if you want to see both, get on out of here. But also, I hope you guys really enjoy it. I enjoyed it. I loved it. So if you want to watch my experience putting it on, you know, make sure you keep on watching. Also, if you want to see this eye look, comment down below. This is my Pride Month eye. I really like it. I think it's very cute. But also make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you never miss when I upload, you guys. And let's just go get on into this video, okay? Okay, girl. Okay, Steve. Okay. Alright, you guys, so I am so excited to get right on into this. Like, y'all just don't know, I'm so lit about this foundation. So I'm gonna start off priming my face with my MAC Prep and Prime. You know, as normal, this is kind of my go-to primer now. Yeah, I just can't even speak. Like, I'm so ready to get started. And I zoomed in really close so you guys could get a really good look. Okay, you guys, so the Juvias Place I Am Magic Foundation comes in a little container like this. It is a 1 ounce foundation. I just literally love the packaging. It's just a little tube, like, oh my god, you can travel with this. You can put this in your purse, take it on a day with you, you know, everything. But from what I've heard, you don't need to take it with you. It ain't budging, sis. That's what I heard. But we about to go ahead and see for ourselves, you know. So the shade that I'm using is Somalia. It is number 350. So I'm gonna start off with 1 pump because I feel like that should be enough for me. Ooh, it already feels kind of like really thick on my finger. And I'm not usually someone to go for matte foundations, but it's supposed to be like a velvety matte foundation, you know. I heard a little goes a long way. I mean a long way. So I'm gonna go ahead. You know how like when something don't know what you thought, like you feel like you can't talk? So I'm gonna go ahead and take my Real Techniques Instapot face brush to blend this on out. Okay. It looks, oh my god, you guys, it looks airbrushed. Like, it really looks airbrushed. Like, oh, sick, man, sick. Seriously, I'm trying to go ahead and just really blend out one side of my face to see, you know, the difference. Oh my goodness. And then it looks so natural. Like, it looks like, it literally looks like skin. Like, this looks like my skin. My skin, boo. What is in the formula, Juvia? What? Run me the formula now. All right. It looks really good to me, so we're gonna go ahead now, and I'm gonna take my MAC Studio Fix concealer in the shade NC48 like normally, and we're gonna, you know, see how it works with this concealer. Unfortunately, I do not have the concealer. I'm not on their PR list. Of course, I'm not that big of a YouTuber yet or a beauty influencer. I just know how to do makeup, but most brands won't send you stuff if you don't have a big following. But I will get there one day with the support of you guys and my local supporters. So I will get there. All right, so I definitely want to see how it reacts with my, of course, my normal routine of doing what I do, because I will not switch up my routine for a foundation at all. The foundation gonna have to get in line, okay? That's what's gonna have to happen, okay? So jump down the sky. And you guys know I love to let my concealer sit. So while that's happening, we can talk about some cool little facts about the foundation, okay? So like I said, it's a 1 ounce bottle. It is a velvety matte foundation, in which I can say it is not a matte foundation that's dry. Like, I've had dry matte foundations. This is not at all. Like, and it's y'all, this is gorgeous. Like, I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see once I blend the concealer out. But this is seriously gorgeous. Like, I just can't. Like, what is the formula? What is the formula? So I'm gonna go ahead and blend out my concealer. You know, I want to see how it, I don't know why I'm using this little mirror, my big mirror right here. I want to see how it blends in. And so far, it's doing a pretty good job. Like, I want to be snatched, okay? I came on here with my Pride Month colorful eyes, okay? We're gonna get snatched. You know, you guys, I want to try and do a drag look. I'm so scared to do it on camera though, because I mean, I don't have to post it if I don't like it though. But I'm so scared to do it on camera. But I do want to try it. So like I said, I want to look snatched. So p.louise bases can be used for concealers as well. So I want to take like just a little, like that much. And go under my eye just to brighten a little bit more. And I actually never tried this, so this will be my first time trying this. To see how it reacts with my setting powder and everything, because I never set my base for my eyes. So like, I literally would not know how p.louise reacts with a powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder in the shade number 3 and set under my eyes. And I'm gonna use the same brush that I concealed with. You know, I still do not see how people bake. I'm like, do nobody else sees the difference? Like me and very few people see that baking sometimes really makes it look extra dry. And it's, hey, especially since this is a matte foundation, I wouldn't have baked anyway. I would go ahead and just like set my face. I wouldn't go through all that, because like, I wouldn't want to take the chance of it really drying down. I wouldn't want it to look really dry or anything, so I wouldn't have did that regardless. Let me zoom in so you guys can actually like really see. This is the foundation. Of course, under my eyes is set for my concealer and stuff, and don't mind the people taking rent out, okay? But this is the foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and contour now. I'm gonna take my Black Radiance Beauty foundation stick in the shade Cocoa Bean. And we're just going on, because I would love to see how this works with this also, you know. Oh my god, did you guys know, I just found out that some people, I don't know, like they contour before, what it is? They contour before concealer, like before highlighting under the eyes. And I was like, how? Why? More so why than how. But, because I'm like, contouring a bronze, oh shit. Oh well. Look what I just did. Look at my nose. Look at it! But contouring or bronzing is technically, to me, like what gives back, you know, your skin tone. Like, gives back either warmth and stuff. So when you do it before highlighting, I feel like the highlight will overpower it, like, you know? I don't know. I try not to put foundation sticks on my nose because it's so hard for me to get it so straight on both sides. Like, I don't know. I told y'all I want to be snitched. Okay? Snitched. Let's see how I can work this. I might have to re-highlight, like put some more concealer, because yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 little dots, and just like re-blend this. Cause oh, hold up, wait a minute. Oh, maybe it got me a little more snatched than what I wanted. Yes. Oh, I wonder if this is a thing. Do people do this? Like, do they contour and then put more? Because if so, this is just amazing just now. Like, this looks really good. From like going back and then putting more, like already like making your nose look slim, and then you sucked it all in. Yes. All right, you guys. So now I'm going to take the powdered version of the Black Radiance Beauty Contour Kit, and I'm going to go with the shade Scope, very lightly. And I'm just brushing it up. And bronzer is the best way to test a foundation too, y'all, because normally like when you're rubbing and rubbing, it's breaking up the foundation for most of them. So honestly, this didn't budge at all. Okay, Juvia. Okay. For blush, I'm gonna be taking my Too Faced Pomegranate Highlight Blush Duo. I literally love this blush. This is my favorite. And to mix your blush in with your foundation is everything, girl. I mean, not your foundation, Lord. To mix your blush in with your contour powder or your bronzing powder is everything. Yes, it is, honey. Yes, it is. So I'm going to take the remainder of the powder that's left in my cap. And we're going to snatch. Okay, we're gonna snatch. I'm now taking the highlighter side of the pomegranate blush. I love this highlighter, y'all. I really do. And so you guys know the usual. I love to mix this highlighter with any golden shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the highlight out of the Black Radiance Beauty Contour Kit to mix with this one this time. And this highlighter alone, boom, like, it is amazing. This highlighter by itself is everything. But I just want to be very, very glowy, very highlighted to the gods, you know. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my under eye and my lip, and we'll be right back to finish off this video and give some props to Miss Juvia. Okay, you guys, so this is it really of the entire look. I absolutely love this foundation, like, and the fact that it works good with any primer you want to use, or just your own concealers, your own powders, your own basic regimen of how you do your own makeup. Like, you don't have to switch it up. That's the best thing. But like I said, it retails for $20. The concealers are $14, but I didn't have the concealers, unfortunately. But you know, shout me out to Juvias place. You know, I would love to be on the PR list because they are amazing. I literally have all the eyeshadows. Oh, it is amazing. It is amazing. But also, this eye look. If you guys are really liking it and would like a tutorial on it, make sure you comment down below and I'll definitely get one up for you as soon as I can. But I hope you guys enjoy spending time with me through this wonderful experience. So if that's all, folks, then I'll see you in my next video.